Hi, I'm Dawit Gebremariam.
And I'm Cami Evangelista.
With Diversity Day just a week away, it is important that we start to register for after-school workshops.
Although Diversity Day will look a little different this year, there's still a lot to look forward to. It will be on Tuesday, March 9th from 8 to 12:40.
We have 3 different keynote speakers this year. For your first period class, we have Dr. Cornell West and Dr. Robert George of Princeton University, who will discuss, is civil disobedience dead? And then for your third period class, we will have Penny Nilsson and Rudy Florian from the Mizzle Museum, who will present on propaganda and personal responsibility.
Lastly, for fourth period, we will have Thea Wilson, a Denver-based poet and dynamic speaker on race relations, discussing race and the digital divide.
While Diversity Day is just one single day, we will be having after-school workshops all week next week. Those after-school workshops will happen from Monday, March 8th to Thursday, March 11th from 1 to 2 p.m.
Registration is already open, but spots are limited. There will be 20 in-person spots and 50 online spots for each workshop.
We will have some great adult-led workshops such as Psychology of Tattoos given by Mr. Walsweir, Hip-Hop Album Study given by Mr. Mixon, and many more throughout the week.
Speaking of workshops, there will also be student-led ones. Here are some of RJ's finest to talk about their workshops and why Diversity Day is important to them.
Hello, my name is Alex Stevenson, and for me, Diversity Day is an opportunity to experience something that goes beyond your comfort zone, and to appreciate diversity of many different kinds, diversity of thought, background, opinion. One Diversity Day workshop that I really appreciated was called Experiencing Homelessness, and was given by a woman who had experienced homelessness for an extended period of time. She talked about her personal story, some of the things that she learned, and some of the lessons that it had taught her, and helped me understand that behind every person is a story. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Donna Liu. This year I'm presenting a workshop called Joy is a Form of Resistance. Please stay tuned to learn about how you can stay happy as an activist going into the world.
In October 2019, I, along with 9 other Regis students, had the opportunity to go to the San Diego and Tijuana border. We spent 5 days in Tijuana volunteering and hearing the stories of refugees, migrants, and asylum seekers from all over the world. Hearing these stories was a powerful experience, and we captured it all on film for you to see. Come watch our documentary, Crossing Borders, next Tuesday.
I think that Diversity Day is an important day for our school because it allows for a lot of different types of learning that wouldn't happen on a normal school day. We learn a lot about different topics and issues that we wouldn't talk about normally, and I feel like that's a very important and integral part of our school. This year for Diversity Day, I'm going to be giving a presentation on cancel culture with Antonio Segura, and in this presentation we're going to be talking about its history and what it can do to the people it targets, as well as how it affects society as a whole. We're also going to be talking about how it correlates with social justice issues, how it can work with them and against them at the same time. It's going to be a very interesting workshop with a lot of discussion.
Diversity Day and this year Diversity Week is our time to encounter the other. Other perspectives, other cultures, other experiences. It's our time to learn. From our keynote speakers, students, faculty, and the entire community. It's our time to listen. Whether it's hearing the wisdom and stories from our keynote speakers, learning from our teachers about their life stories and specific topics that challenge our presumptions, or engaging with our very own student presenters who will speak from the heart about issues important for all of us. Next week will be a chance for all of us to think critically and listen, discuss, and engage. See your daily announcements for the link to sign up for after-school workshops. We look forward to seeing you next week. Bye, Raiders.